Viewers, EasyB Tactical. Today we're going to do a quick video on how to install a DeadAir muzzle brake on this AR-15 chamber in 7.62x29 so that we can use the DeadAir Sandman suppressor with this rifle. If you like the content, give us a thumb. Remember to subscribe. Stay tuned. So we remove the current muzzle device using a proper support technique. I've already loosened this up just using my AR tool. Clean the thread a little bit just to make sure. So for the DeadAir muzzle brake, DeadAir require that you install the brake with the 3 holes at the 12 o'clock position, so up. And for that you have to use shims that are provided with the muzzle brake, so that you can make the perfect alignment. So that what it means is that when you're done screwing the muzzle device as much as possible, you've exposed the thread, instead of ending up right here, let me zoom in, instead of ending up there, you want to make sure the holes are ending up on top right here in the upper position. And for that, to fill this gap, we use the shims to fill the gap that are left in that position. So I'm going to take it out again, and you make sure the threads are clean so you can easily twist and untwist. And I'm going to use the shim provided with the bag. It will be a little bit of trial and error to make sure I know which shim I'm using. So I'm gonna wipe these threads a bit. I'm just not gonna use any tight thread locker. I'm just gonna use a torque wrench and see what we. So this will vary depending on your barrel and your muzzle device, but I'm using 2 shims for starter. I will insert them there, and then I will just to see where it ends up at. And this is 2 shim number 2 from the DeadAir package. Almost, but it's right at the end position. So if I were to tighten it up, so let me redo this. Once you figure out how many shims you need to correctly time it, you're going to need a torque wrench like this one. DeadAir, I think, recommend about 25 to 35 foot-pound of torque. You're going to need an adapter to use that wrench on your tool. And keep in mind, this will change the torque strength for that. So I hand tied this already, but I'm going to put one more. And I'm gonna apply the socket. I think that's it. Don't have to go crazy. And especially I did not use Loctite because I plan on changing this. So should be mounted correctly. I'm gonna check the alignment real quick just because I'm a bit picky on that. Oops. That could go a little tighter on this case. There you go. Bubble in the middle. For the shims, I think I'll press them down to flush them, but now you have the mount, the muzzle brake mounted on the rifle. We can test out some. There you go. DeadAir Simon S. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, remember to subscribe, give us a like, and subscribe to the video. Thanks.